Been turned down for a bank account because of bad credit? You're not alone. Bad credit doesn't have to keep you locked out of banking forever. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to open a bank account, even with poor credit, step by step. First, let's clear up a common misconception. Most banks don't actually check your credit score when you apply for a basic checking or savings account. What they do check is something called ChexSystems. Think of it as a credit report specifically for banking. ChexSystems tracks things like bounced checks, overdraft fees, and accounts closed for negative balances. If you're in ChexSystems or have banking red flags, traditional banks might reject you. But don't worry, there are solutions. Step 1. Gather your required documents. You'll need a government-issued photo ID like a driver's license. You'll also need a social security number or individual taxpayer identification number or ITIN. You may also need proof of address, like a utility bill or lease agreement from the last 60 days. And you may also need an initial deposit, which is usually $25 or less. Step 2. Choose banks that specialize in second chance banking. These are specifically designed for people with banking challenges and typically don't use ChexSystems at all. These are designed specifically for people rebuilding their banking history. Credit unions are another great option. They're more community-focused and may be more forgiving than big banks. Step 3. The application process. For online banks, this process usually takes 5 to 10 minutes. Fill out your personal information, upload your documents, and make your initial deposit. For credit unions or traditional banks, you can often apply online first, then visit a branch to complete the process. Step 4. Know what to expect. Online banks often provide instant approval and a temporary debit card you can use immediately through their app. Your physical card arrives in 7 to 10 business days. Traditional banks might also approve you right away, but in some situations, they might take 1 to 3 business days for approval. If you're initially denied, ask to speak with a manager or about their second chance programs. Sometimes human review can overturn an automated rejection. 3 bonus tips. First, start with a basic account. No overdraft protection, just simple checking. Build your history, then upgrade later. Second, set up direct deposit if possible. Banks love consistent income, and they often waive monthly fees if you have direct deposit. Third, consider a secured credit card from the same institution once your account is established. This helps rebuild your overall credit while maintaining your banking relationship. Getting a bank account with bad credit isn't impossible. You just need the right strategy. Everyone deserves a second chance, including you. Good luck!